Welcome to Yoga with Sandy. Today we are going to see benefits of aerial yoga. It helps you to safely stretch your muscles and tendons. Aerial yoga will help your mind at ease if you are going through a rough time or anxiety attack. Huge advantages. It doesn't strain the spine and low pressure on your joints. And the next advantage is it helps you to breathe deeply without any restrictions, and you can improve your lungs capacity. Next benefit is it helps you to burn your calories. During a 15 minutes yoga session, you can burn 320 calories. While traditional yoga is great for the mind and body, aerial yoga has a few additional benefits. You can perform yoga poses that you can't do on the floor. And it helps you to enhance core strength and release endorphin. Aerial yoga helps with balance your stability physically and mentally. It uplifts your mood and rebuilds your emotional system. Thanks for watching the video. For more update on yoga, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Guys, give a thumbs up and show your support. What next video you need to post? Just comment below.